Greetings, digital dreamers. Here's your go-to guide for accessing Microsoft Teams within Clever. Have a look. To begin, start by navigating to the DeKalb County School District's website at www.dekalbschoolsga.org. Once you've reached the district's website, scroll down to the bottom until you locate the orange rocket ship Launchpad, which will directly link you to Clever. Here, you will then select Login with Active Directory. You will now be required to insert your username and password. Once you've inserted your username and password, you will be directed to the Clever portal. Here, you will scroll down until you locate your productivity tools. Here, you will find your Microsoft Teams direct link, which will log you in. Congratulations, you are now in your Microsoft Teams. Enjoy! And there you have it. Feel free to learn more from our other instructional videos below. Have a great day, DeKalb.